Where do you think your food comes from?
A tree. The market.
Do you know where your food comes from?
My mom makes that.
Do you know where your food comes from? Where?
My mom.
Where do you think food comes from?
Fields?
From a cafe near my house.
Nature.
Nursing home, and they cook all my food there for me.
Restaurant. I just go to the supermarket.
The bar.
No, silly. Food comes from farms. And gardens, too.
That's right, everybody. Ever since the beginning of the agricultural revolution 12,000 years ago,
Food has been grown on farms and home gardens too. Seeds grow into plants, which then produce more seeds, ready to be planted for next year's crop.
Originally, farming was all organic, with no chemical fertilizers, pesticides, or other unnatural additives.
only in the past 40 years have these chemicals been introduced.